If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. I heard about this dude, Sam Sulek, a few months ago, and I've seen him mainly popping up on my TikTok channel, right? Just constantly seeing this dude like flexing, doing these workout videos. Then I see that he has his own YouTube channel. So I've been seeing a lot of fitness people talk about this dude, and now I'm seeing a lot of like YouTubers talk about how huge this dude's channel has become in a very short period of time. All right, so on YouTube, this dude has almost 2 million subscribers in under 10 months, right? And each of his videos are getting over 500,000 views. He has several videos on his channel that's over 1 million views, right? So when I seen this, and just because like I'm a YouTuber, I'm into that, and I'm in the analytics and the money side of things, I'm like, this dude, if he ain't already, he's going to be a millionaire. And here's how. First of all, just when you think about what he's making off of his YouTube ads, like the fact that, because the channel is monetized, of course, but when I look at his videos and you're looking at like, say, the ones he's getting 1 million views. Now, I don't know exactly what his niche, you know, being fitness and everything. I'm not sure exactly what his RPM is, and that's how much he get paid per 1,000 views. But let's just put it around, because I got a fitness channel and it's around $6 per 1,000 views. So just imagine with this dude, every video that goes over 1 million, that's probably like around $6,000, which is guesstimate, right? So anywhere between, he's getting $4,000, $6,000 per video he's putting out, and that's damn good money. But do you know where his money really gonna come from, or could come from, right? And that's from doing brand deals. I'm sure there's tons of fitness companies out there that's reaching out to this dude, willing to throw him a shit ton of money for him to talk about their products on his channel. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, I really don't follow Sam like that. I heard about him, I seen a couple of his TikTok videos, and then just for the sake of doing this video, I watched a couple of his YouTube long form videos just to see, like, you know, what he about. And this dude's super simple, right? And as far as what I've seen so far, he hasn't really talked about any products or any like brands that I've seen in any of his videos. So I'm sure the brand deal opportunities for this dude is going to be outrageous. So even if he didn't get a brand deal, this dude could kill it with affiliate marketing. So he literally could just, you know, become an Amazon affiliate, or, you know, even just like a own, you know, of some sort of course or workout program with an affiliate program. This dude would just, he'd probably get 7 figures just off of that, just off of affiliate marketing, because this dude's following is so huge. And not only that, because he's into the fitness niche, people was listening to everything this dude's saying. Now, deep into the fitness community, you know, a lot of people into the weightlifting, you know, they're a little suspicious of maybe like, you know, what he into or whatever. But bottom line is, he do got a huge following. And when you in a niche like the fitness, a multi-billion-dollar industry, man, this dude gonna be a millionaire. Right? Point blank period, if he ain't already one. Now, I have seen in one of his first videos on YouTube, he was saying like how he's about to go back to school or college or, you know, whatever. But I wouldn't be surprised if he dropped out of school. Like, I don't even know what he's going to school for, whatever. But I don't think this dude anticipated his channel was going to be this huge. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But this dude definitely is going to hit 7 figures if he just do things halfway right. You know what I'm saying? Because the opportunities for him is crazy. But here is something that is even crazier. All right. This dude is getting all of the success, and he's going against everything that all of the YouTube gurus and YouTube courses tell you to do, he literally is doing the opposite. All right. So look, they tell you in YouTube, like, man, get rid of the intros. Don't have no intros because that sucks. People hate that. This dude got a little short intro, right? Then, man, it drives me crazy all the time. The thumbnail. You gotta have a clickable thumbnail. Like, that is so important, right? This dude just using basically a screenshot of one of his workouts. That's his thumbnail. They don't even be having text. You know what I'm saying? It's just like a screenshot, right? So he don't got nothing fancy, no fancy thumbnails. And then everybody talk about the title. You gotta have a catchy title. You gotta use emotion. You gotta have curiosity. You gotta have this. You gotta have that. This dude literally be like, day of training, day 1. Day of training, day 2. Arm day, right? Like, what the hell? Ain't nothing appealing about his titles at all, right? And then, what about the hook? Everybody say you need a hook at the beginning of your damn videos, because if you don't have a hook, people ain't gonna care about nothing else in the video, right? This dude don't have a hook. He literally just start the video just like, hey, on my way to the gym. I think I'm gonna do arm day, and that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? So, honestly, initially when you see this channel, you want to hate on it and be like, man, he ain't doing nothing right? But honestly, if you think about it, that should give people hope. This should show people like, yo, you just need to take action. Because if anything that he's doing, that I see that he's doing, that most people tell you that you should do, is stay in your niche, pick a niche, and be consistent. Those are the only things this dude is doing that all of the gurus and the courses tell you to do. But other than that, everything else, he's doing his way. He's doing different. He's like super simple. So that should be inspiring to people to say, hey, you know what? Maybe you can be successful on YouTube without all of the glitz and the glamour and the flash and the fancy edits and all that, because he's doing it, right? And there's other people doing it. So it's crazy too though, because a lot of people spend so much time on thumbnails and titles and think tanks and, you know, trying to come up with all of this and that. And you got this dude over here who killing it, right? This dude about to be a millionaire, I'm telling you, right? And he's doing it bare minimum. All right. So watching this, you should realize, hey, if he could do it, why the hell you can't do it? Why the hell I can't do it? You know what I'm saying? Keeping it real, I cannot hate on this dude at all. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I'm congratulating Sam Sulek, and all I can say is, hey, keep it going, bruh. Keep it going.